Good morning, students, and welcome back to the art class. Now, today we are going to color the topic playing with a ball, which we drew last time. Let's begin by coloring the sky on top. You can take any shade of blue or maybe a yellow for the sky. I've already taught you how to do a yellow and orange sky also. And very neatly we are going to color in one direction without leaving white spaces. And also we have to be very careful that our color should not go inside other objects, just like I'm doing. Children, you can see around the sun I've left some white area because I want to show the sun rays, and I've not made them with my black sketch pen. I'm going to make them with a orange or a darker yellow color. Just see very neatly without leaving white spaces and without going in other objects and forms that we have drawn. Now I'm coloring the sun with the yellow, and the spaces that I had left, here we make the sun rays. So you can see, children, this is neatly done. This time I have not colored the clouds. I've left them like this. Now you can pick up any of your favorite color and color the ball. You can choose two colors or you can choose just maybe one color. That's up to you. But if you choose two colors or more, it looks nicer. Oh, I need to add one more. So here we go. The ball is also done. Now the brick wall. Now for the brick wall, children, I'm picking up a red since I've done a different red in the ball. So I'm picking up another red shade for the bricks. Now how to color the bricks? See, one brick, we can do one red color. And for the other brick, we can use another red color. Just keep leaving one, just like we did in patterns. Very carefully, it should not go in the other objects. So I've taken two different shades of red. You can change the color of the bricks, children, if you want to use any other color, maybe a mustard color or an orange color along with this, you may do so. So one brick with one red color. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change. Since this brick was with this red, so this brick I'm going to do with the lighter orangish red. Now similarly over here, I'm taking this red, then this. So we are just changing and alternating the red shades that we are using, leaving one brick each, just like you've done in patterns. You've done many patterns with me. You've done as a topic, you've done as art integration with your math subject in Sikkim, patterns from Sikkim. Now, okay, done. Now you can pick up any green color of your choice and very neatly you can color the background without leaving white spaces in one direction, and it should not go inside the clothes or on that brick wall. Children, you can see how neatly I'm working. Try to keep your fingers away from the sheet as much as possible. You can keep some clean paper under your hand just in case you don't want your fingers to touch your artwork too much. One direction without leaving white spaces. Proper mixing. Will not color inside his hand. Done. Now what you can do is, if you want, you can show some grass by taking another shade of green and adding some grass in some areas. Now coming to the human figures, boy or girl, whoever you've drawn, let's color the skin first very carefully. Children, try not to keep your hand on the sheet too much, or else it will smudge the color. Ear also has to be colored. I can use another color for the other boy. So you can see this boy I have colored with a darker skin color, and I'm now coloring the lips very neatly with a very light shade of pink. Now let's begin coloring their clothes. You can pick up any bright shades, any shades, colors of your choice. If you've written something on the t-shirt or you've made some design, make sure that you do it with a different color, children. Now this boy, suppose I've taken this color and I want to write the number 10 with another color, and the same color I want to continue doing in his pants without leaving white spaces, in one direction, very neatly. Now I'm using the same yellow for the shoes and for these two stripes that I had made, and along with the yellow for the shoe I can pick up my gray color or any lighter color or any other shade and do a combination for the sole. Now for this boy, you can pick up again any color of your choice that you would want. His not orange, because I think there's already a lot of red and or reddish orange at the back. So I'll take this neon color, maybe a blue, a different shade of blue you can take. And again, these stripes can be with this side it's showing only this much. And then purple color, the violet color for him. Children, all these color scrapings, if they are there on your sheet, don't remove them with your hand. You can just pick up your file later and just turn it upside down, and these color scrapings will automatically get removed from your sheet. But don't throw it on the floor, else it will make your floor dirty. I'm using a dark gray for the shoes. You can use any other color. Done. And now maybe a black or a brown or a shade of both for the hair. So this is done. I've left some white highlights in between. So our topic, playing with the ball, looks very colorful, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. Thank you, children.